Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. What? Alright, you already know Boxycharm. This is not the premium box. This is actually the base box. So, let's see what I got in this. Okay, the base box is $27.99 per month plus tax, and now $1.99 shipping and handling. And you know from the title above or down below that this is my last Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, sadly, but it has to go. Like, has to. It's just too expensive and not worth it. I mean, yeah, I got like one or two products that I really like and that I really wanted, and then the other ones are just like it's just add-ons, like, for no reason. So I don't really like the choices, like, just no. So this, I am canceling Boxycharm. Hopefully it goes through, but I'm canceling Boxycharm. Last one. But I still am going to be getting Ipsy Glam Bag, and then, you know, on and off with the Live Glam. So if you're into unboxings, I am sorry. I know this was my biggest one, was Boxycharm, but just can't pay for it anymore. I can't do it. It's not worth it. Boxycharm, sometimes it's worth it, but sometimes it's not. And then I get disappointed. Like, why did I pay for that when I could have paid for food? Like, $27.99 plus tax and this, that, third. That's like me going out to eat with just myself, just getting something like chicken wings, mac and cheese, and a dessert and a drink. Like, that's basically what that is. I could have substituted that for food or for supplies, or even to get my hair done, because my hair salon is like Mondays is the day that washing sets are $20. I could have got a washing set and some extra stuff, like some snacks and stuff, while I'm in there. Like, that's what this is taking away from, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. But let's get into this after like 3 minutes of rambling. This is the theme for today. It's for this month. It's Strut Your Runway, Real Life Runway. So basically it's runway because this month is Fashion Week month. So in New York. So I'm excited. I didn't have tickets. I didn't buy the tickets, but my friend went and she videoed me, like, everything. Like, it felt like I was there, so I lived through her. You feel me? I got variation 13 because it is C22, that's 2022, 09, that's September, and then 13 in BA. So I got variation 13. I don't really see a lot of variations with my product, my chosen product. Everything had the eye cream, which I didn't even know was a product to be chosen. I guess that was just added in there for like the surprise events. I don't know. And the Wander Beauty, which got me upset because I wanted the Wander Beauty stick. But when I went on there to choose the product, it was only bare nude. It was only one shade. So I don't know if they changed that throughout the whole month, the rest of the month, that, you know, they do choice. But I chose my product and I was just like done. And I didn't look at it again, but I guess they put more shades, which just like I'm just like, wow. But you know, it is what it is. I got what I needed. I needed a new eye cream and a night cream, so it's like, why not? My cat needs me to open the door. There we go. So let's start off with my choice item. The one I told you about is the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Eye Night Cream. I literally just opened the door for you. This is what it looks like. This retails for $134. A delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use on the face and target eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid that works to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakness of skin surface. $134. Like, I love a big ticket item, and especially Avant is a expensive skincare brand. Do I know why? No. But I love Avant stuff, so it is what it is. Next thing, which is why my box is big, is this baby right here. This is Boxycharm washing beauty machine. This is not worth anything. You only can get it on Boxycharm website, and you have to be a subscriber to buy it. So it's not worth anything. It's a little heavy. Also, it doesn't come with the batteries. I don't like stuff that don't come with the batteries that's supposed to make it work. Oh, and it's also sealed, so I'm not going to use it until I use it for a video, which is why I'm saving it for a video. So I'll just do that. That's the only thing that I could use it for, is for a video, because I read some reviews and it says it's a one-time thing, a one-hit wonder, only one time and period. Done. Finito. And this retails for $40. I know that for a fact because I looked that up. Yeah, it was in the shop, and I was like, ooh, and then it was there for $10, but it's $40. It's $40 for this and a person for reviews. We're gonna test this out, but I wasn't expecting this. Didn't want this. Don't really need this. I have like the mat to already clean my brushes. So people said it's good for eyelashes, so I probably can try that. But I wasn't expecting this. That's a 0.5 product. We don't know if it works or not, but it's cool. It's gonna be a cute video. That's probably gonna be my last Boxycharm video. It doesn't work. This is my last Boxycharm unboxing. The next thing is this right here. This is a repeat product. Like I said, this is the reason why I'm canceling. They always give me repeats. Like they don't always. This is just last month with the Natasha Denona palette. Or was it last month or the month before? I don't know. One of them with the Natasha Denona palette, and now this. I already got this before and I sold it. This is the Serephine Botanicals Lip and Cheek palette. Me and Serephine Botanicals don't mix. This is like $42, which is like, why? No, thank you. This is what it looks like. It's like plastic. It's plastic. This is their original regular packaging. And then here are the shades. So here are the shades. Like, I could try to use this as blush. Like, I could use the deepest one as blush. But I'm not gonna even try it. I'm just gonna try to sell it again on Mercari. Oh, it's crazy. This is freaking crazy. So a bust, that's a 0, because I cannot use it. Like I couldn't use it before. And I will not get any use out of it. Like, it doesn't have a deep brown to use those light colors on my lips. The only color that I could use is the red color on my cheek. I mean, I could mix that with the neutrally brown one and get like a terracotta shade. But it's like, what about the pink shade? I'm not putting that on my face. This is useless for me. For my complexion, it's useless. All right, that was $42. Next thing is Sophia Mayville. I've been wanting this highlighter powder for a very long time, but I did not know it was this small. Like, it's small. It's small. I did not know it was this small. I wish I knew it was this small. Ooh, can I get some help? Wait, I have my keys right here. There we go. This is Peach Sangria Satin Powder Highlight. I've been wanting this since freaking Ipsy, because this was in Ipsy. It looks like it could work for me, and it looks beautiful. Like, it looks gorgeous. And I can't wait to use that. See? One product that freaking makes me happy. And a choice product that was like, I need a backup, so why not? So that's like already half a point. My choice item is half a point. The Boxycharm thing that no one else could get, but like it would be fun to try, is half a point. Serephine Botanicals is no point. This is 1 point. It's like, it's a lackluster box. It's a lackluster box. And how much is the Serephine Botanicals? $42. $42 for that? For that little thing? Better be the best highlight ever. The last thing is a palette. But that better be the best thing ever. Like, if it's going to be like that, that better be the best highlighter ever. $42. This is what I'm talking about. This is the only thing that makes the box happy for me, is the Ace Beaute palette. I really don't like Ace Beaute formula, but they said that they changed it, and I want to try it out. And this is a new palette. It is really, really pretty. I've been wanting this. See, the highlighter, boom. It made my day. The palette, boom, made my day. Everything else was just okay, that, or a disappointment. That's the reason why I'm just quitting Boxycharm. Here is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous. Oh, can't wait to do a review with this. I've been really eyeing Ace Beaute, and I see how they change, and I love their highlighting palette. So yes, yes, yes. Oh my bad. The highlighter was $22. I was reading the Serephine Botanicals instead of Sophie and Maybell. Okay, that makes more sense. $22 for that highlighter. That makes more sense. For the Ace Beaute palette, it was $32, meaning that my total is $270, and I paid $27.99 plus tax, aka $30.59. That's what's on my bank account. So that's how much I paid. Tax varies for the states. You guys know that. But anyways, that's how much I pay for that. It's gonna be more. It's gonna be like $33. It's close to $35, and then I'm gonna be paying for Ipsy and Life Glam if I like the thing. Like, that's just too much money for subscription boxes for makeup when I have so much makeup and I'm trying to get through it. That's the reason why we have Shop My Stash Sundays. So it's just not worth it for me. I mean, I love makeup. I still love makeup, obviously. I love makeup, but it's just not worth it for me. If you want to know what's on my face, it's the Huda Beauty palette. Rose Gold, you already know, remastered. You can't get that shade anymore from Fenty Beauty. You know, they switch formulas. Also, on my face is the Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer for foundation and for highlight. You know, when I use the Huda Beauty palette, I use the Huda Beauty palette for highlight too. So that's what's on my face today. And the powder, you cannot get it anymore because of the Becca powder. Like, everything is discontinuing. It's like crazy. Businesses are going out of thing, and then new businesses are rising. It's like it's like the world's changing. The world is changing, and Boxycharm is gone for me. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Video right here, head right here. And always stay safe, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and deuces. By the way, everything is in the description box, like all the products and how to get it and everything else, and also my Instagram and TikTok. So go check that out.